That's it.
That's it.
I can ask you a question. What make you want to be this Barbie? And you can fry fries, you can fry nuggets. Not know what you eat, you can fry. No. My girl. Easy yourself.
Yesterday and you feeling yourself.
Easy yourself. Me not look for new glaze today.
Freaking noodles from freaking what, Dollar Tree?
Which Dollar Tree?
Dollar Tree.
A expensive noodle. Me not look for new glaze today where you eat and them thing there. Full of your belly. And you put smile for your face. Everything right there so you eat me can fry, you know. Me a chef like that, you know. I show my skills, you know. How do you know that? Me a chef. You see me? Watch and see, man. The nuggets and chips on me a fight, it's harder than KFC. They are testing this come out of Jamaica. And when they come out of Jamaica, you don't know so they are testing in the world already. So guys, watch for cousin. Swear things to share this big man, you know. With makeup and face. Like say I saw you wake up. You wake up with matter in the hair and they think say. Guys, we are coming to the end of the video. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification to get new videos.